Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to show you how to create these beautiful coasters. And we are still this month on our creative world tour from Australia to Mexico, and there we explore the country, the people, the animals and the nature. And I just picked these colors because I really love them. I think they fit perfectly to Mexico. The blue of the ocean and the terrazzo color, I just love it. Before we go any further, please subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and hit the like button. And once that is out of the way, let's get started. So first of all, we use our white Sculpey and a glass and get it rolled out. So we have a very flat piece of white Sculpey and use it as a shape for our cork. I have these cork things for the glasses already, and that's why I roll out the white Sculpey as much as I can and have it really thin, and just have it in the size of the coasters that I already have. So with the help of the glass, we punch out the round edges here and just get it out, and we make it a little bit nicer on the edges in a second, but just first punch it out and then we try it on the cork to see if it fits now, and then use it different colors. Just wrap them and make sure they get smooth and knead it well, so you can roll it out as well, because it needs to get really thin. If we don't get it really thin, we cannot break it later. So first roll it out once again with a glass. You can use of course everything else, whatever you have to make it to roll it out, but a good thing is a glass that works just fine. And once we are done with that, we use the other colors and do the same. When you are done with the different colors, just put everything into the oven at 110 degrees for 15 minutes, and then you have a really hard Sculpey you can just start breaking off. So now it's really hard. We start breaking the Sculpey, and we do that for each color. Make sure that the single pieces are not that big, because the smaller they are, the better it looks later in the white Sculpey. So just make sure you break them really small. By time it's a little bit hard to do that, but try your very best. So now grab the white Sculpey again, and you see it's smooth, and that's why we can easily press into it the color pieces here. And you can do that however you want to. There is no rule here. Just make sure you use each color and put them wherever you want. If you really don't like it, you can take them out again and roll the white Sculpey again, and just start all over. But you can just make it nice up front. It's not a big deal, and there is really no right or wrong here. So now use the rest of your white Sculpey pieces, roll them out again, and get the rest of your coasters done. Of course, you don't have to do 4, you can also do 6 or just 2 if you want to, but I think 4 is a nice number in this case, if you have some friends coming for dinner or something like that. and always make sure that you put it onto the cork and see if it fits. Because later, once the white scalpy has already been baked into the oven once again, you need to take some hot glue, put it on the cork, and then put the white scalpy on top. And then it's really, it's hard, and you can just use it for your soft drinks. But be sure to also use a finish, because then it's really, you cannot kill it, so you cannot destroy it actually. So it's a good idea to use a finish here. Let it dry and maybe do it again, so it's really hard surface. So that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, I really hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye!